At one of the biggest cultural festivals here in Kazakhstan, I and my team joined over 30 participating countries to showcase some of Nigeria's vibrant culture and ethnic groups with our native attires and cuisines. Here is how it went. We don't start the move.
You don't need to go and know what is in
You never
other
press button
places.
at yet.
Exactly. Hi.
So, what are you representing?
Okay, so I am dressed as an Idoma lady. I am Idoma from Benue State. And this is our cultural attire, red and black. It's more like ashoke. I'm sure you guys know about the Yoruba ashoke. So it's like ashoke, but so red and black is our color.
So, we are currently walking to where the event is taking place, the cultural fair. The cultural festival at the Enactus World Cup is a vibrant celebration of diversity where participating countries showcase their unique traditions, arts, music, dance, and cuisines, offering a chance for teens to share their heritage, connect with others, and celebrate unity through creativity and cultural pride. My team, Team Nigeria, comprises students from two institutions, Joseph Sanwo-Taka University in Makurdi, we can as well call it Justin for short, and the Federal University of Technology Owerri, or FUTO for short. Justin is located in Benue State, which is indigenous to three main tribes, Tiv, Idoma, and Igbo. For this festival, we wore the Tiv and Idoma attire. The representative from FUTO, which is located in Imo State, Nigeria, represented on his Isiago attire, which is native to the Igbo tribe in Nigeria. Walking into the building, the first thing we had to do is check in, and here we have our main guy, Mr. Victor Akinfala, who is the head of partnership and special projects for Enactus Nigeria. He's helping out with the check-in process. Thank you, sir. After checking in, I and my team proceeded to our stand.
Say hello. Good. Hello. How you doing?
So this guy over here is from Team Morocco. He came to check out some of the nuts, chips that we have on our table. Unfortunately, we couldn't bring in ready-made Nigerian cuisines, and I think it's the same for most teams here. Most teams just brought in their local snacks that are peculiar to their country.
So you're on camera.
So guys, where we at now is called the Congress Center. It's a large and spacious building that is built specifically to host concerts, conferences, and big events such as the Enactus World Cup. Zooming in, you can actually see a lot of countries that are represented here. India, Hong Kong, Ghana, Germany, Eswatini, just to mention a few. Right here, we were waiting for our turn to be called in for a tech check, and we ran into Team Canada. It was a pleasure meeting them, and we actually competed in the top 16 round, which was great. So after a while, we were called in and our tech check went smoothly. As you can see, two presenters were testing the microphone and doing a short demo for their pitch. After a successful tech check, we were free to join the rest of the Enactus family on the main floor. So it's a bit rowdy over here. We have quite a lot of participants from various countries dancing, celebrating, walking around, and there's just so much noise. But that's the fun part about it. One key activity from this cultural fest is the ability to walk into different stands and sort of see what they have on their tables. So you could pick up snacks, you could pick up souvenirs, you could pick up, virtually anything you want. At the Puerto Rico stand, there are a lot of souvenirs on the table, some badges, some Puerto Rico snacks, I believe. I got a few for myself. And these are my teammates and Nigerian delegates trying out some snacks from a table. After the Puerto Rico stand, I went straight into Tunisia, where I got some nice sweet dates. We also met a fellow student from Brazil, where we interacted with for a moment.
Emmanuel. My name is Paul. Hello. Okay, UK and Ireland. Right.
So at the UK and Ireland stand, there are some nice biscuits. I personally went for these snacks, which I enjoyed.
Alright, I think I'll try the biscuits.
Here we have the United States stand. They had quite a lot on their table and they were offering mostly candies and sweets and what have you.
Hello. You're on camera. Say hi. Yeah, sure, thank you.
The candy was really nice, by the way. So my friend called me to come help take a photo of her and some guys on some really nice and very unique costume. They were literally the star of the day. Everyone wanted to take a photo with them. I also took a photo with them as well. Here at the German stand, I also grabbed some sweets and candy for myself. I also tried out some chocolate biscuits, which was really nice. So we were waiting in line to take photos just behind the huge placard there that says Enactus World Cup 2024, and this was the Egyptian teams having their moment. So after taking photos, we met with this guy. I cannot remember his name, but he was really interested in the Nigerian culture, and we gave him a bit of information about the tribe we're representing and of course about the Nigerian culture.
What's a Nigerian saying or a chant? What's a Nigeria saying? Okay, like a chant. A lot? It's really hard remembering one. Yeah. Where are you guys at? Your school? Do you have a chant for your school? Chant or saying or maybe slogan, something like that for our school. Like I went to school in Hawaii, and so we'd say aloha. You guys have anything like that? No.
It's just the basketball team, but it's more like an adaptation from Scotland. So I don't think that applies here.
Okay. Good luck, you guys. Thank you very much. Good luck.
What league?
Well, I'm not sure. I just get to judge everyone else but them. Yeah, I don't get to judge them. Yeah.
He also asked about if we had like a chant that we say in our institution. Honestly, we didn't, but it was cool with it anyway. I also got a chance to do this really nice gesture with him, and I think it's just one of those things he does with perhaps his countrymen or something.
What's it called? It's candy.
I also got these candy packs. Honestly, I can't remember which stand I got this from.
That's cool. 3 snacks down.
At Brazil's stand, they were actually giving us something quite interesting. So it's a band, a special band that has something to do with wishes. So the lady that attended to me explained that she has to put the band on my wrist, and I would make 3 wishes. For each of these wishes, she would tie knots respectively, and if I do not get to strip the bands off my wrist and allow the band to fall off, these 3 wishes will come true. Unfortunately, I did not get to keep the band on my wrist long enough to fall off, but it was great.
So let's go.
Okay.
Next station, I will go for everyone. It's a Brazil typical bracelet. I
Okay.
will make 3 knots, and each knot is a wish. So
Okay.
first, let's go. Second, oh my god, it's a hard wish. Second, and the third. So you cannot touch anyone, and you cannot cut, because when it breaks by itself,
Yeah.
the wishes will happen.
Okay, so I leave this on.
Sorry?
I'll leave this on me
Yes, yes.
until it breaks.
Yes.
Wow.
Until
Wow.
it breaks.
Thank
Okay?
you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
So the last stand I visited was the Australian stand.
Yeah, sure. I'm a fan of chocolate.
So they had a lot of snacks, chocolate biscuits, candy, some crackers. I personally went for the chocolates, which was great as well. Then we met Marat. Marat was curious to know about the tribes and culture in Nigeria. Apparently, he was hoping to meet clothes that were from the 3 major tribes, that's Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa. We made him understand that there are a lot more tribes in Nigeria other than the 3 major tribes. Benue State, which is where we're from, is home to the thieves, Idoma and Igbo tribes. Hence, we were putting on attires that represent the Tiv and Idoma tribe respectively. I was actually shocked myself hearing people asking, oh, I saw this Igbo guy, I saw this guy on this Isiago, where is he? Oh, is this a Yoruba cloth or something?
Very cool. Not crowded.
What does it resemble to? What does it resemble to? Is there anything which comes to your mind?
So after our chat with Marat, it was time to head over to the main hall for the competition.
And you can also we're going to do the
This
same again.
is the big stage.
They are next to each
See, it's been big stage.
Yeah. Say something, Theo. I said Theo. Kato.
Okay, I was expecting a very big stage, but what I'm seeing right now is mind blowing.
It's bombastic.
I can't, like, oh my god.
No, this one is even bigger than what you had in mind.
Impressions. Stage.
Oh, the impression. It's giving World Cup. Everybody is
World Cup
together.
impression.
Yeah.
Stephanie.
Hi guys.
Impression.
Hello. Okay, so guys, this place is my captivating. See, you might think of something, but then you get something else. I'm telling you, what I'm saying is small. Just come.
Give them money, let them go.
It's too late. Maybe we can make it next year, but it won't be this stage actually.
Yeah. Alright, this is huge, honestly. This is huge. Yeah, but I trust that Nigeria basically will be on that stage tomorrow. Alright, so this is it.
Let's
Let's go now. Let's go.
Go ahead.
the announcement of the Action World Africa winner.
Tomorrow.
On Friday, we will have a packed program for you all, and of course that's the exciting day on which we're gonna find.
I'm so exhausted. So we are actually done. So we are preparing to leave.
We are here! Live at the Look Alert! Woo!
We did go. So how are you feeling?
Cold, guys, cold.
Hope you're not cold to talk.
I have been freezing since I landed here. It's just a matter of time before I turn to ice. Oh, this is too much.
See you later.
With everything on. Still.
Wait, are you going to leave Stephanie behind?